How to start an LLC in Texas. Hello aspiring business owners, I'm Josh, your guide from the How to Start an LLC team, and you've just hit the jackpot if you're looking to transform your golden idea into a thriving Texas business. We're going to lead the way from the initial plans to your big opening day, making every step crystal clear. So gather your note-taking gear and let's start building your business dream in Texas. Before we dive in though, it's key to know you've got two paths. Forge ahead on your own to form an LLC or partner up with an LLC formation service. For newbies, we're all about hopping in with the helping hand of a service. It streamlines the process, keeps you on the right side of Texas laws, and grants you serenity. What's more, it's surprisingly cost effective. Take a gander at the video description below for a link to a prime LLC service that's gentle on the finances. All right, now, let's get back to business with the LLC formation process here in Texas. Follow the steps I'm about to tell you. Step 1. Name your Texas LLC. Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey and starting your own business in Texas is an exciting move. The initial and crucial step, though, involves picking a name. This isn't just any ordinary name, but one that embodies your brand's identity and is memorable to your audience. Think of your business name as more than just a tag on a t-shirt, it's the initial handshake with your audience. In Texas, ensure your chosen name is distinct and concludes with LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company at the end. Already have a few names in mind? Excellent. Your next action is to verify their availability. You can do this easily by visiting the Texas Secretary of State website. For your convenience, we've included the link in the video description. Once you've settled on the perfect name, act swiftly to secure it either online or through mail. This might incur a small fee, but consider it a foundational investment in your business venture. Step 2. Select a registered agent. In Texas, every LLC must appoint a registered agent. Think of them as your business's official representative. They're to catch all the important stuff: legal documents, tax notices, and other official correspondence. They're your front line in staying compliant with state laws. So, who can be a registered agent for your LLC in Texas? Good news! You, as an LLC member, can take on this role, or an individual who is not a member or a professional agency can also serve as the registered agent for your LLC. They must be 18 or older, have a physical address in Texas, be available during regular business hours, and if it's a business entity, it must be registered to operate here in Texas. Choosing the right registered agent is crucial. They ensure you never miss out on important information and help keep your business in compliance with the law. Need help finding one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the video description for a list of the best registered agent services right here in Texas. Step 3. Determine your management structure. In the world of LLCs, there are two main management styles: member managed and manager managed. Think of it as choosing between a hands-on DIY project or hiring a contractor. In the member-managed LLC, it's all about teamwork. That's you, the members, and your partners roll up your sleeves and manage the day-to-day operations. It's perfect for smaller crews where everyone wants a say in how things are run. Then there's the manager-managed LLC. This is where you bring in the pros. Yes, the non-member employees or managers to handle the daily operations. It's like having a dedicated captain for your ship. And yes, a member can also be a manager, but they'll need to work and collaborate with at least one non-member manager. Are you a small team with everyone wanting to be involved? Then the member managed might just be your best bet. Larger group with some preferring to stay in the background, the manager managed is your jam. In Texas, your LLC is automatically member managed unless you specify otherwise in your certificate of formation. So think carefully about what works best for your business. Step 4. File a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. Now we're getting to the exciting part, making your LLC official in Texas. This is done by filing the Certificate of Formation with the Texas Secretary of State. This document is the cornerstone of your LLC, providing the state with essential information about your business. In your Certificate of Formation, you'll need to include vital details such as the name of your LLC, its principal office address, and the name and address of your registered agent in Texas. This document is more than just merely paperwork. It's the formal recognition of your business's structure and its existence. You can file the Certificate of Formation online or by mail. The Texas Secretary of State provides an online filing option, which is often the fastest and most convenient method. The filing fee for the Certificate of Formation must be paid at the time of submission. Once you've filed your Certificate of Formation and they're approved, your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of Texas. It's a moment to really celebrate. Your business idea is now a legally recognized entity ready to operate and grow. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The next step is to create an operating agreement. Think of the operating agreement as the rule book for your LLC. It's where you outline who does what, who gets what, and how decisions are made. Now, while Texas doesn't require you to have one, trust me, you're going to want one. It's like having a game plan for your business. Even if you're flying solo in your LLC, an operating agreement can be your legal safeguard, clarifying your operations and protecting your interests. Need help getting started? We've got your back. Check out our free operating agreement template in the description. It's a great starting point, but remember, one size doesn't fit all in business. You might need to tweak it to fit your unique scenario. Step 6. Get an employer identification number. Now it's time to get your business its own identity in the eyes of the IRS. That's right, we're talking about getting an employer identification number, or EIN. The EIN is a unique identifier in which the IRS uses for everything tax related for your business, whether it's filing taxes, opening a new bank account, or handling payroll. Your EIN is your go-to number. So how do you get this number? Well, it's simple and free. Head over to the IRS website and apply for it. It's a straightforward online process. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Your business needs its own set of licenses to legally operate. These licenses vary based on your location in Texas, the type of business in which you're running, and the services in which you offer. Navigating the world of business licenses might sound a little daunting, I know, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. You'll need to check with your local and state government to see what specific licenses and permits your LLC requires. And to give you a lowdown, these can range from a general business license to more specific permits like health licenses for restaurants or zoning permits if you're operating from a physical location. Now, don't forget to check the video description below for a link to a comprehensive guide on how to obtain business licenses in Texas. Step 8. Choose your tax status. An LLC offers flexibility in how you can be taxed, and this decision can significantly impact your finances. You can choose to be taxed as a default LLC, a C corporation, or an S corporation. By default, LLCs are considered disregarded entities for tax purposes. This means the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return. It's straightforward and often beneficial for smaller businesses. But if you want something a bit different, you can opt for your LLC to be taxed as a C corporation. This means the company itself pays corporate taxes. While it can need more paperwork, it might suit you if you plan to reinvest profits back into the business or go public in the future. And third and finally, you can choose the S corporation status. This can offer tax benefits like avoiding double taxation on dividends, but it does come with restrictions on the number and type of shareholders. Choosing the right tax status is crucial, but can be a bit complicated, so it's worth discussing this with a tax professional to understand the implications for your specific business situation. And just like that, You've done it! Congratulations, your Texas LLC is officially formed. You've navigated the twists and turns of the LLC journey, from choosing the perfect name and also the perfect tax status. As we close off this chapter, remember that forming your LLC is just the beginning. Ahead of you lies the adventure of growing your business, making your mark, and achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. If you found this video helpful, please do show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us bring more content just like this to aspiring entrepreneurs just like you. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights into the world of business. I'll be seeing you on the next one.